is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And it was a beautiful day here across southern Colorado weather-wise. We knew today would be warmer than yesterday. I'm going to show you those highs here in just a minute because we saw some very warm temperatures, especially east into the plains. Right now it's in the upper 40s in the Springs, upper 50s outside in Pueblo, and checking in around 40 degrees under partly cloudy skies in Woodland Park. Wow. Look at these numbers. Just wow. That's about the only thing I can think to say, especially southeastern parts of the state. We're in the 60s for Pueblo, La Junta, Lamar, Springfield, and Trinidad. Coldest there out west towards the mountains, Leadville at 30 today. Steamboat warming up to 32. Grand Junction nice and mild there across the western slope at 52. For the Springs, 51 this afternoon. Denver warming up to 48. And the big story tonight will be the continuation of some significant snowfall out across the central and northern ranges here in Colorado. These spots under winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. But the snow is not going to make it east of the mountains. There's a lot of uplift in the atmosphere because of the westerly flow. And on the downside of the mountains, that's a subsidence effect with the air sinking, and it doesn't allow for any snow or cloud development. That's why our weather was so nice today, but that will be changing. And here's the reason why. This developing weather system is expected to move in Monday night, and it does bring us some colder air as well as better chances for snow heading into late tomorrow night. So here's how your President's Day forecast looks across southern Colorado. Will be in the 20s in the morning hours in the Springs and Pueblo. Highs tomorrow down about 5 to 10 degrees from what we saw today, with the snow picking up probably between 7 and 11 in most areas across the I-25 corridor. You can see early in the day, mostly sunny skies for the morning. So some bright sunshine early, and you will want to take advantage of it, because once the snow picks up tomorrow night, we will see periods of snow all the way through Wednesday. So the pattern once again becomes quite active. You can see around 10 o'clock, many areas seeing that snow or a rain-snow mixture at the onset of the system, especially south of Highway 50. Heading into Tuesday, still seeing snowflakes flying at least through midday Tuesday. I think heading towards Tuesday night, most of that snow does begin to taper off. And I have tweaked these numbers down just a bit from what I showed you yesterday at 10. Now calling for around 1 to 4 inches for most of us here across the I-25 corridor. Highest amounts Monument to Woodland Park, 3 to 6 here. Salida, Trace to 2. Canyon City between 2 and 4. So if you want to get the car wash done, if you're really pressed to get it done, maybe your car's filthy like mine, you could probably do it early on Monday. Otherwise, I would wait Tuesday and Wednesday as snow, cold weather, and unsettled conditions returns here to southern Colorado. Lows tonight down to the 20s around Pueblo and the Springs, 24 Monument, 31 Canyon City, 23 in Westcliff. Tomorrow, Westcliff's back up to the 40s. It'll be at 48 in Canyon City, 39 for Monument and Woodland Park, and 44 in the Springs. And as we look at the next 7 days, the very first part of the 7-day forecast, active, cold, and snowy. Highs below freezing Tuesday and Wednesday, with an alert day expected on Tuesday. So as you get back to work and school, that Tuesday morning commute could be quite messy. That still looks to be the case here across much of southern Colorado. Pueblo will go from 50 down to 33. Temperatures do rebound, though, heading towards the end of next week and next weekend. Canyon City will be at 48 on Monday, with snow arriving late. Tuesday and Wednesday, snow and wind in the forecast here. And for Woodland Park, upper 30s on Monday for President's Day, but dropping all the way down to the 20s on Tuesday.